everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a pretty short video. I wanted to try out the new Kylie Lip Kit by Kylie Cosmetics that she came out with, which is in the shade Kylie. So she just released this lip kit and this is supposed to be like her new favorite nude lipstick. I am a sucker for a nude lipstick, so I went ahead and ordered it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it here on camera, swatch it for you guys, and just show you guys how it looks on the lips. Let's get started. If you are new here, my name is Sylvia. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and give it a thumbs up and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. I got the Kylie lip kit a couple days ago. I feel like it took over a week to get the lip kit. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know it does come in the new pink box. Comes with this card in here, and this is the new lip kit. I actually do like this new black packaging. The lip kit is $29 and you get a lip liner and the liquid matte lipstick, but she said that this is a new formula for her matte liquid lipsticks. So the inside is all black. So this is the lip liner and this is the liquid lipstick. It just has like the standard packaging that she's always had. Alright, so I went ahead and zoomed in. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch the lip liner and the lipstick on the back of my hand. So this lip kit is actually supposed to have the lip liner, which is a little bit more darker than the actual liquid lipstick. Before, she had the exact same color. She did say that the liquid lipstick is a little lighter than the lip liner. So this looks like a dusty, soft pink nude lipstick. As you guys can see here, it looks a little bit more on the pink side. I kind of was expecting it to be a little bit more peachy because the packaging looks more like peachy nude, and as you guys can see, the lip liner is a little bit darker than the liquid matte lipstick. I actually prefer my lip liner to be a little darker when I'm using a nude liquid lipstick. I feel like it just gives like such a beautiful like ombre contour to your lips. It makes your lips look more full. I don't know, I actually was excited about this lip kit and the new formula. I'm excited to try it out as well because we all know liquid matte lipsticks can be pretty drying. It's very different when you swatch these. Alright guys, so that is a close-up. You guys can see the lip liner oh my god, my nose looks so ugly. So as you guys can see, the lip liner is a little bit darker and more brown than the liquid matte lipstick. It looks more pink. She has so many lipsticks now. I feel like a lot of them look pretty similar. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the lip liner first. And I just love her lip liners. They're so creamy. They glide on the lips so easy. I love her lip liners. Alright, so I just applied the lip liner. I did not fill in my lips. They still have the same smell, like vanilla. Okay, so that is one coat. It feels extremely thin and extremely light. I'm gonna go just a little bit more, but it does have pigment for sure. Then I'm gonna go with my finger and just tap. Alright, so now I'm just gonna let it dry down. And then I'm gonna go in with the lip liner one more time, just to blend in the lipstick. Alright guys, so this is how the Kylie lip kit looks, and honestly I am loving this nude lipstick. The formula feels pretty comfortable. I don't feel like my lips are drying up. It still feels pretty comfortable in my opinion. It just has a little bit of hydration. It doesn't feel super dry. It feels pretty comfortable and the formula feels very thin. Let me know if you think this is the perfect nude lip kit. And also, did you guys hear that Kylie Cosmetics is gonna be at Ulta during the holidays? She's first gonna have lip kits available at the store, and then slowly she's gonna start having more and more things pretty quickly at the Ulta stores. So I think that's really great. I hope she has the new Kylie lip kit at Ulta during the holidays. If she does, I will link it below. I'm also gonna link this lip kit down below from her Kylie Cosmetics website. I'm not sure if it's just in store or also online. If it's also online, I will put a link down below for ULTA, so make sure you check that out. I would definitely recommend this new lip kit and the new formula. I like that she put in a darker lip liner with the lipstick. Love it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Bye!